As usage of our cloud increases, we will need to add additional compute capacity. This is easily done with FastStart. In this video, we will add an additional 5 compute nodes to our cloud. In a little over 5 minutes, we will go from a single machine or cloud-in-a-box to a very capable cloud with the addition of 5 compute nodes. We start on the Eucalyptus website where we find the bash command. We will cut and paste this into our 5 compute nodes. Once they are finished installing, we will then register the new machines with the cloud, and you will see the additional resources in minutes. First, we will check the current compute resources with the Eucalyptus Describe Availability Zones verbose command. To run this command, we will need to source our credentials. Looking under the max column, we will see that currently with our single machine cloud-in-a-box, we can run a maximum of 8 M1 smalls. Let's get started adding additional capacity to our cloud. We have 5 machines to add. Starting with the first machine, we will paste the FastStart one-line installer command for adding compute resources into our console and answer a few questions. The installer will try to determine the answers, so please verify before hitting enter. We will do the same on the other 4 node controller machines. When the installer is finished, we will have one more step to register each node with the cloud controller. After we register each node controller, we will check to see that the additional capacity has been added. I'm going to kick off all of the installations, and I'll pause the audio and come back when all the installations are complete. Okay, as we can see, node controller 1 is finished. We will copy and paste the registration command from the node controller, and we'll paste it into the cloud controller. We will now run the Euca Describe Availability Zones verbose command to see that we've increased our capacity. Currently the capacity is M1 small max of 8. And we run the command and we see now that we have a max of 16. I'm going to pause the audio until the next one completes, the next node controller completes. Okay, node controller number 2 is complete. We will cut and paste the registration command from node controller 2, and we will paste it into the cloud controller. And again, we'll run the Euca Describe Availability Zones verbose and see now that we have gone from initially when the cloud-in-a-box we had 8 M1 smalls available. We went to 16 by adding node controller 1. We added node controller 2, and now we've gone to 24. I'm going to pause the audio and come back when we're finished installation and registration of node controllers 3, 4, and 5, and we'll review the Euca Describe Availability Zones verbose to see the additional capacity. And we are now completed adding node controller 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can see the additional capacity. We went initially from the single machine Cloud-in-a-Box with 8 M1 smalls available, maximum, to currently there is 36 M1 smalls available in our cloud. In about 5 minutes, we've added 5 additional node controllers to increase the capacity of our cloud. Thanks for watching.